How to log in AEK Bank online banking account. Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to log into your AEK Bank online banking account. AEK Bank offers a secure and convenient way to manage your finances online, and today we'll be walking you through the steps to access your account, so let's jump right into it. Firstly, open your preferred web browser in your device. In the search bar of the web browser, type login AEK Bank and hit enter. From the results list, you can click on the official login e-banking link. You'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll see the contact number and password options. You can tap on those and enter your contact number and password in the respective fields. Once you've entered your credentials, you can click on the login button to access your account. At the login page, you may find additional information and resources, just like under the links like security and help. The security will give you some security features, and help will of course give you FAQs and other helping advices which can provide assistance if you need it. And this was everything you needed to know about logging into AEK Bank online banking account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.